Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Box, Easy English with Julia and Tom, where we help you speak English more naturally and confidently. I'm Julia.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom. In this series, we help you sound more natural at work and in everyday conversations. Julia, how was your weekend?
It was very nice.
That's good. Did you try that new Italian restaurant?
Yes, the food was very good.
Nice. And how were the beaches?
They were very beautiful.
Julia, I think you've used very enough for one day.
I think you're right. Today's lesson is about one tiny word that English learners use all the time. Very.
There's nothing wrong with it, but when everything is very nice, very good, or very beautiful, your English starts to sound a little repetitive.
The good news is you don't need to learn hundreds of new words. Sometimes replacing just one word can make you sound much more natural.
Instead of very good, say excellent. Instead of very beautiful, say gorgeous. Simple changes, big difference.
In today's lesson, you'll learn useful alternatives to very through short, everyday conversations. After each dialogue, we'll explain the key vocabulary and then you'll practice speaking with us.
And before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through calm, natural conversations like this, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep creating more practical lessons for you. So get ready to listen, repeat, and level up your vocabulary. Let's get started.
Very good. Tom, how was your presentation this morning?
It went really well. The client said it was excellent.
That's great. Congratulations. Many English learners say very good all the time. It's correct, but native speakers often use stronger adjectives.
Instead of saying very good, try excellent, outstanding, fantastic, impressive, exceptional. These words sound more natural and expressive.
Examples. The presentation was excellent. Your idea is outstanding. She did a fantastic job. That was an impressive presentation. His performance was exceptional.
Repeat after us. The presentation was excellent. Your idea is outstanding. She did a fantastic job. His performance was exceptional.
Very bad.
Julia, how was the traffic this morning?
It was terrible. I was almost 30 minutes late.
Oh no, I'm glad you made it. Many English learners say very bad all the time. It's correct, but native speakers often use stronger adjectives.
Instead of saying very bad, try terrible, awful, horrible, disappointing, unacceptable. These words sound more natural and expressive.
Examples. The traffic was terrible. The weather was awful. The food tasted horrible. The service was disappointing. Making customers wait for an hour is unacceptable.
Repeat after us. The traffic was terrible. The weather was awful. The food was horrible. The service was disappointing. Making customers wait for an hour is unacceptable. Very busy. Tom, we're going out for lunch. Would you like to join us?
I'd love to, but I'm completely swamped today. Maybe tomorrow?
No problem. Good luck with your work. Many English learners say, I'm very busy all the time. It's correct, but native speakers often use more natural expressions.
Instead of saying, I'm very busy, try, I'm swamped. I'm overloaded. My schedule is packed. I've got a lot on my plate. These expressions are very common in the workplace and in everyday conversations.
Examples. I'm swamped today. I'm overloaded with work this week. My schedule is packed this afternoon. I've got a lot on my plate right now.
Repeat after us. I'm swamped today. I'm overloaded this week. My schedule is packed. I've got a lot on my plate.
Very happy.
Julia, did your manager approve your proposal?
Yes, I'm absolutely thrilled.
That's fantastic. Congratulations.
Many English learners often say, I'm very happy. It's a good phrase, but native speakers usually choose a stronger adjective to express their feelings.
Instead of saying very happy, try I'm delighted, I'm thrilled, I'm pleased, I'm overjoyed. These words sound more natural and expressive.
Examples. I'm delighted to be here. I'm thrilled with the results. I'm pleased to hear that. We're overjoyed to welcome our new team member.
Repeat after us. I'm delighted, I'm thrilled, I'm pleased, I'm overjoyed.
Very important. Tom, why should we double-check the report?
Because accuracy is crucial. Even a small mistake can cause problems.
You're right. It's always worth checking one more time. Many English learners often say very important. It's correct, but native speakers usually choose a stronger adjective.
Instead of saying very important, try essential, crucial, vital, critical. These words are especially common in business, academic, and professional English.
Examples. Accuracy is crucial. Good communication is essential. Customer feedback is vital. Safety is critical in this industry.
Repeat after us. This is crucial. Communication is essential. Customer feedback is vital. Safety is critical.
Great job! Now it's time for a quick challenge.
We'll say a phrase with very.
You try to replace it with one stronger word before we do.
Ready? Let's go.
Very tired.
Exhausted.
Very hungry.
Starving.
Very cold.
Freezing.
Very hot.
Boiling.
Very funny.
Hilarious.
Very beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Very ugly.
Hideous.
Very clean.
Spotless.
Very dirty.
Filthy.
Very small.
Tiny.
Very big.
Huge.
Very fast.
Rapid.
Very slow.
Sluggish.
Very old.
Ancient.
Very smart.
Brilliant.
Excellent. How many did you get right?
If you didn't know all of them, don't worry. Just come back and practice again.
The more you hear these words, the more naturally you'll use them in everyday conversations. Great job today. Let's quickly review what we've learned. Today, we replaced very good with excellent, very bad with terrible, very busy with swamped, very happy with thrilled, very important with crucial, and many more.
Remember, you don't need a bigger vocabulary overnight. Just replacing one simple word with a stronger one can make your English sound more natural, more expressive, and more professional.
This week, try to catch yourself every time you say very. Pause for a second, then ask yourself, is there a stronger word I can use instead? You'll be surprised how quickly your vocabulary grows.
Great job today. Remember, sounding more fluent isn't about using difficult words. Sometimes replacing just one word can make a big difference.
This week, give yourself a simple challenge. Every time you catch yourself saying very good, very busy, or very happy, stop for a moment and ask yourself, what's a stronger word I can use? The more you practice, the more natural these expressions will become.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to English Box, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
In our next episode, we'll learn better ways to say, I think, and discover how to express your opinions more naturally and confidently.
Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and replay this video to shadow us as many times as you need.
Just one more thing. If someone asks, how was today's lesson?
Please don't say, it was very good.
Say, it was excellent, or fantastic, or even exceptional.
Now that sounds like a professional. Thanks for learning with us.
See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.